Hi guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video alerting you to a few things. Whatever links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So I know this doesn't happen for everybody, and that's why I don't like mentioning it. And then when I don't mention it, people will say, hey, there's a coupon. I know, but it's not for everybody. Like, you can see clearly there's a 20% off coupon today here on HSN. That's the number. Everyone has a generic number if they offered you the coupon. If they didn't offer you the coupon, oops, sorry, you still even use it even if you have the number. So I don't want to frustrate people, but it's there. Obviously, we're all looking at it, and I'm recording my screen. So if you're getting that coupon, that's great. I know somebody had mentioned they contacted HSN to see about why some people get it, some people don't. Like, I have an account. My husband has an account. Sometimes I get coupons. He gets coupons I don't get, or we both get the coupon. So it's just, I don't know. And they said it's just kind of how their marketing people manage it. I don't know. But I want to show you guys is some of the new items are coming in for the craft day. So I wanted to see what I can use my coupon on. And Anna Griffin's Create Crop at Home event kit is available. The diary is at sellout risk. I was looking at that earlier. The Crafter's Companion Sarah's Signature Vintage Diary Mega Kit. Maybe I want to get that with 20% off. I don't know. But and the 20% off, I think it caps at $25. And sometimes they give you a coupon for 15% off that doesn't cap, so it's really nice. So it just depends. But anyway, the Create Crop at Home event kit does sell out usually, and it is now available. And it looks like very scrapbook related. I don't know if you're looking at it. It has a lot of layering dies, again, for pictures or however you want to use them. Obviously, you can use it however you want, but these are word dies. It looks like, I was reading the description, everything's cool. And of course, with that, you get the 2-day entry to Anna Griffin's Create Crop at Home. And so a lot of the fun things that we like to look at are dropping. I know Crafter's Companion also has some new things here on the site. Just want to mention real quickly, also Diamond Press does have a couple new items already up, and it is these Just For You tag kit and the birthday party tag kit. They're tags, of course, you can pop them on cards, however you want to play with them, but like that little image that just popped up there. Super cute. So I just want to show you guys that things are starting to come online, so you might want to check it out. Oh, the butterfly kit sold out. Not just the refills, but the actual flying card kit. That's so cool. Oh, this is the other one I was mentioning to you guys. When we're talking about marquee auto ships, sometimes they're in, sometimes they're out, sometimes they bring some back. And this is one of the ones that was awesome because it has that oval die that you can then nest in. Obviously, they're all nesting together with the marquee auto ship, but this one for the marquee first came out. This die right here really helps us do more things with those little frames, and so that was really cool. So that is available too. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great night. So I'll have some fun things to share with you leading up to craft day, but for now, those are just the things I wanted to make mention, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, have a great